Today's video, I'll show you guys how to use NFS Underground to Ultimate Mod to unlock extra customization and remove game limits. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and select the download option, and you just need to wait for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, select the download now option, and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this another mod, Ultimate with extra customization. Select the download and wait for 15 seconds. Now select the download now option. Will start downloading, and check my video description for this tab link. Select the binary v2.90. Select the zip and it will start downloading. After downloading these, select the folder icon. Right click on this WinTech fix. Just right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR, and then open this USA. This is for European and this is for USA game. Just right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop this exe file inside of a game folder and select replace the file in the destination and continue. And then go back WinRAR. Open this Ultimator folder and open the main folder. Just drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder and select replace the file in the destination and select continue. Now just close off here and go to downloads folder. Right click on the 2.9.0 binary folder and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder, open the binary, right click on the binary.exe and select run as administrator. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes. Select user mode option. Go to downloads. Let's go back to downloads folder. Right click on this ultimate zip and select WinRAR and select extract to. After extract done, open it. You need to select this file in binary, guys. So go back to the binary and extracted folder. Just open the ultimate and select the menu stuff setup binary.end and select open. Now select the game folder. Select the Need for Speed Underground 2 game folder and select OK. You need to wait for this installation to done and successfully applied. Select OK. Would you like to save files? Select yes. Wish to run game? Select yes. NFS Underground 2 Ultimator is a script mod that removes game limits and fixes problems caused by adding new cores and events. It helps the game work properly when you use multiple mods. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.